And this is called fry bakes, where I'm from. This one would be the fried dumpling style, Jamaican style. So I'll put it in there. All right, still have two more to go. You just let them do their thing until they're golden brown. That's when you're gonna flip it over. Okay. The cabbage is on this side. It's coming along just fine, guys. See the color on that? Just let it steam on a little bit more. Yeah. Just a little bit more. Okay. And then we're going to do the codfish last. So cocoa tea is finished, sweetened. Cabbage is being steamed with peppers, carrots, and of course, seasoned well. And then you have your fried bakes over on this end doing its thing as well. Okay? That's going to be great. Again, this is the cocoa that I use. Original. Originality. That is awesome. It's not ready yet. You see how it's getting that color? That's what I'm looking for. So let it fry. All right, let's check on it now. See how nice and golden it is? You could flip it now. Mm-hmm. Do a flip game. Flip, flip, flip. Not ready yet. Not ready yet. This one should be. Put it on the side a little bit. Doesn't matter. Let's check on the cabbage over here. Okay, so the cabbage, this is ready. Okay, all done. So that's two down, guys. Two down. One more to go. Ah. Two down. So I'm gonna turn that off.